Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is peace among you and to your soul. You've done everything that you can to this point. You're not doing anything wrong. There's no reason to worry. There's no reason to be aggravated and wonder, should I do more? Can I do more? I should be doing more. Stop critiquing yourself so much because you've done everything you can. Now it's time to lay put the ball in Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength in Jesus Christ's hand so they can do their thing. So be at peace. I'm unwavering in the face of fear, because fear fears you. When you look it in the eye, I guarantee it runs the other way in fear. Therefore, you keep on moving in your place of manifestations and blessing and becoming great. I come to my senses and embrace challenge, because the challenges brings out the best of you. Tests brings out growth and strength. Therefore, you can maintain bigger blessings. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ wants to give you bigger blessings. Blessings have their own weight, just like negative energy. We want you to be able to maintain it, rain, sleet, or snow. So the bigger the blessing, you make sure that you're training yourself to be able to hold it up and to feel like a feather, not like a ball of chain, rain, sleet, or snow. I am determined to think with gentleness and calm. That's where you're in your strongest. I find my inner peace and become a manifestation of peace. Therefore, you thrive and you grow and you succeed. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.